Hi art friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, a warm welcome to you guys. I've seen a couple of new faces around here and I just wanted to say thank you so much for supporting me and joining me in my little art corner of the internet. I'm so glad you guys are here. Today's video is something a little bit different. I'm going to try and do a painting without using any paint. And we're going to do a needle felting piece. So we're going to use wool to do a painting. I've seen a couple of videos on TikTok, so I'm basically a professional. I've chosen a simple photo, one of my favorite scenes on Studio Ghibli. So grab your teas and coffees and let's see how it goes. Let's go. Now this isn't the first time I'm doing needle felting. I have bought this little kit before, around 2 years ago, before I had a baby and had loads of free time. Me and my partner made I think 1 or 2 little figurines, and I tried watching the YouTube video because I did really enjoy it and I wanted to do more and start making little statues and figurines to decorate the house with, but obviously life got busy and it just got put away. But I was really enjoying it, so I'm excited for this painting. I've decided to use these felt fabrics to use as a canvas, and I don't have a pillow, so I'm going to use a bunch of the felt fabrics and hopefully I won't stab my table. And as you can see, the character I've chosen to do is
I'm an extremely powerful fire demon named
Calcifer. He is so adorable. I absolutely love him, so that's the one I've chosen. And he is pretty simple. I didn't want to go overboard by doing a face or a lot of background. So I'm just gonna do him on this log and just put one color in the background, I think. Now I'll be honest, I didn't grow up watching Studio Ghibli films like a lot of people did. I didn't see them until I was an adult, so I don't have that childhood nostalgia linked to them. But even without that, I absolutely love them. The storytelling, the atmosphere, the little moments of stillness between the actions, and of course the artwork. I am in love, and they have been my favorite for so long now. My favorite Studio Ghibli film, I think, is House of Moving Castle. The visual world building in the movie is just magical, and the love story obviously, and the little characters they're just so cute and lovable. So I absolutely love all of them. So I actually wanted to do Kiki's delivery service. I just wanted to do Kiki sitting in a field, but I kind of did. I started with that one, but just doing all the little background details was too much for me, so I thought I'd just focus on one character and try and see how that goes. I think that was the better choice. And while I was doing this, a mail came for me. It's a print I've ordered from this lovely artist on TikTok. I'll link her below. Go check her out. Look at this absolutely beautiful illustration she's done. I'll put that on my wall. And yeah, I just wanted to give a shout out to her because it came while I was doing this needle felting and I was excited. I actually got inspired to do a needle felting painting after seeing artists on TikTok doing it, but they were doing very detailed big paintings, which is something I want to do. And I was wondering if I can needle felt onto an actual canvas, because that'd be really cool. If you guys know if that's possible, let me know in the comments. If not, I just have to glue a bunch of these felting fabrics together and hopefully that will work. So I want to do a big piece, maybe A3 or even bigger of, I want to do my own design. I don't want to do another character. So I'll just sketch something and hopefully that's what I'll do next. So a little bit about the needle felting itself. It was really fun, obviously, but it was pretty hard as well. It's much harder than they make it look. Blending the colors together, you have to go back and forth with the colors so much, and still it's not that blended on the face. I think the belly came out better, but what I did was, instead of making it flat, because when you use not the single needle but the one that has a bunch of needles, like 5 or 6 needles together, when you use that one, it does like flatten it down. But I didn't like that, and it gave it a funny texture as well. So I just used the single needle, and I kind of needle felted in different directions, not actually going down, but needle felting into the wool instead of the needle felting into the fabric. So it made it like a little bump. And here I am trying to show you up close, but it's so blurry. I kind of left it in because I thought it was so funny. It's the only different angle shot I did. I'm so bad at recording myself while doing art. But yeah, basically I was doing really small pieces and just putting it where I wanted it to go, and slowly needle felting it in. Is the end piece and the back. I know a lot of people use water and soap and like wash it or like and roll it up, and so it kind of binds together so it doesn't come off. But I didn't want it to flatten. I wanted the little textures I made to stay there with the little bump and stuff, and that like his belly is like sticking out, which I think is so cute. So I didn't flatten it that much, and I think it looks good. The project reminds me why I love using different mediums. It was so fun, and I do definitely recommend you guys try this out. It does require you to slow down a lot and think about what you're doing and what colors you are blending together, but it is so fun and relaxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me needle felt. Let me know what other mediums you want me to try, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.